Hey everyone! Welcome back. Welcome to our video on India's Solid Waste Management Rules, 2026. India's Solid Waste Management (SWM) Rules, 2026, effective 1st April 2026, are set to transform the way urban waste is managed. These new rules replace the 2016 framework and require both decision-makers and end users to take a more active role in creating cleaner, healthier cities. The transition from the old collect, dump, forget model to a system centered on segregation, accountability, and technology is now a regulatory reality. We will go through the key changes in solid waste management and what is important to know and implement. 4-stream segregation is mandatory. Every generator of waste, homes, businesses, hospitals, and airports must separate waste into wet, dry, sanitary, and domestic hazardous streams. This step is crucial for effective recycling and safe disposal. Green bin for wet waste like food, soiled wrappers, blue for dry waste such as plastic, paper and metal, red for sanitary waste including pads and diapers, and black bin for special waste like medical waste. Enforcement and accountability. Annual reporting is required. Failure to segregate or improper handling can result in financial penalties. Mixed waste sent to a landfill will attract higher fees. Digital tracking. A new central portal will track waste from generation to final disposal, making transparency and accurate reporting a must for all stakeholders. Landfill use minimized. Only non-recyclable, inert waste may be sent to landfill. Prevention, reduction, reuse, recycling, and recovery are prioritized. Bulk waste generators in focus. Large residential complexes, commercial centers, hospitals, universities, and airports, with over 20,000 square meters built-up area, 40,000 liters day water use, or 100 kilograms per day waste generation, must process waste at source. These entities account for about 30% of urban waste and now face strict compliance requirements. Sustainability is not a quota, it's our legacy. Thank you, stay safe, stay strong, take care.